Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? This is Captain Manny. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing. I've been welding a lot of dual shield wire ever since I passed my weld test, like I showed you guys in my last video. So on this video, guys, I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing. I've been welding like crazy, like a big monkey. So welds for 7/8 welds, thick welds, 1-inch welds into 2-inch thick metal. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been doing, a couple pictures, a little bit of videos, and let's get to it. All right, without further ado, let's go. Let's see. Like on this wall right here, guys. You can see that it's very thick wall. It has to be a 7/8 wall. First, you need to fill it out. Fill this bitch out first, all the way flush, and then do your cap. So it takes a bunch of weld, but since we're doing wire, it doesn't take that long because you weld it and weld it and weld it, limit it until you run out of wire. Oh my gosh! I love it, the mother. That's right. You run out of wire and it's not good. I hate it. You're like, and boom, you run out of wire, and you're like, what the hell? There's no more wire. What the fuck? So you need to go get the wire, take the liner out, take the tip out. That's what kind of sucks. Everything has to be in good synchrony. Otherwise, your wire gets stuck or you don't get good fusion. That's the only downside of welding wire, I think. Other than that, though, when it's working right, you weld like a big monkey. Oh my gosh! I love the mother! So on this project, guys, I also did some full penetration welds. What that means is that they require a X-ray test. So what I'm doing right here is taking the water out of the plate, out of the pipe, to make sure it has the right temperature. And since it was cold, also needed to take all the water out and all the cold out of the pipe, so don't fuck the X-ray. I also did some gouching on some plates. We needed to make the bevel for the plates. Some plates will come without bevel, so we need to gouge them out. And this is just the metal melting on the floor. I thought it was pretty cool, so I recorded it for you guys, so you guys can see how cool it was when it landed on the floor. And this is a top view of the gouching. As you can see, we're gouching the plate right there to make the bevel on the plate. And everything was good until I got a bunch of sparks on my face. Oh my gosh! I love it, the mother! And right here, guys, I'm just took some pictures of the fixtures, the crosses, believe it or not, this is gonna be a roof for a big company, California. MGA, that's my initials that I need to put on the plates. That's right. Captain Manny. Alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube, I hope you guys like this video where I show you what I've been doing this couple weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So they told me that, my boss telling me that we might have 3, maybe 4 weeks at the most on this project right here. It's almost done, so I got hired for 4 weeks, which is already passed. So next week will be the fit week. So stay tuned. I might get laid off. I might get going. Who knows? My buddy that is welding with me in night shift, he is gonna do a weld test on Monday, stainless. So he might hook me up there. Stainless steel, TIG. But as of right now, still a MIG monkey. So stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. Stay safe out there. Keep welding like crazy. And I'll see you next time. Alright? Ciao. Adios. Bye. Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? This is Captain Manny. Welcome back to another video from Captain. I fucked up again.
I love it.